What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got another Kemimoto install video for you guys. This time we have the lower door panel inserts. As you know, most side-by-sides don't have lower doors. They have a door, but there's an open hole for sticks, mud, rocks, whatever to come in and possibly strike your leg, get you muddy, stuff like that. A little bit of facts about these Kemimoto door inserts are these ones are the slightly matte black coating on them. They match the appearance of the car. They're a little bit, the plastics on our side-by-side's a little faded, not as, you know, the black doesn't pop as much, so this brand new black's gonna you're really gonna see the new door inserts. So definitely got a wrap coming soon, hopefully, and we'll just make that all blend in real nice. But why you need lower doors, like I said before, prevents muddy water coming in, gravel, sticks, entering the cab, kind of just overall protects the driver and passenger from anything to come inside. Easy to install. We're looking over the instructions. It just shows maybe 3 bolts and reusing 2 of the factory bolts. It does come with new stainless steel hardware that you can use. So that's nice. There's no drilling needed to modify it. It also comes with a noise reduction rubber door trim. It goes around the whole bottom piece of that door panel that you get. So that way the metal door isn't rattling on any of the other plastics and stuff. So that's real nice to have. So we're gonna go out there and get this installed, and we'll see how it looks. Let's go check it out. Okay, so the first step is to remove 2 bolts. You're gonna remove this one here and the second one in over here on one of your door hinges there. So we're gonna get these removed. Already got this one loose. Switch out bits here. Okay. And then I already put it on there, but you're gonna take one of those black clips here and you're gonna put it in this hole, and then you're gonna get the stainless steel bolts that they give you, one of the hardwares, and you're gonna take your door, and you want to start with that middle one. It's just one of those stainless steel Allens. Just get it started and let that hang there, and then take your factory bolts that you just removed and reinstall those. Keep that one loose. After you get all your bolts in, go back across, tighten everything up. Tighten up that Allen bolt. There you go. Fits really good. You can see with the plastic ones that we used to have, they stuck out here. I mean, they lined up with this pretty perfect, but I like that look a lot better. I think once we get like a wrap on there, everything will kind of blend in, and I think those will look really good. Don't know if we will install this plastic or the rubber trim. There's a pretty big gap around there. I mean, it's not a huge gap, but it's not rubbing on the plastic, and I think that's what that rubber seal is for. Kind of like that way, if you're going down the road or trails, it's not rattling, hitting the plastic. But if it does later down the road, we'll probably throw that on there. But So that's the end of the install video. Like I said, super easy to install. Just 3 bolts, pop them right on there, and it fits perfect. The stamped steel or aluminum, I guess, just fits perfect with the machine. There wasn't really that big of a gap. It actually fits pretty well, better than I expected. I didn't put the rubber piece on there because we had some clearance between the plastic piece of the machine, so we're just gonna let that ride out and see if it rattles going down the road. Maybe we'll install it later, but we're not gonna install it right now. So if you guys like this product, click the link in the description. It's gonna take you to Kemimoto's Amazon page, and that's where the product will be.
This is everything that's included in with the kit here. The 2 triangles here that I didn't install here. This is going to be the location where they go, just behind the door, and bolts to your factory roll cage. We didn't install them because if you look here, this is where it would go on ours, and the livery goes right here, and then there's an R there, so if we remove that, it would just say RZ. And until we get a full wrap, we're just going to leave this one on there, the stock one, and then we'll install the metal or the aluminum one when we get a full wrap and make it fully complete. But that's where it goes, just like 2 bolts that comes off, and then put the new one on there with the little Z bracket. Last thing, here's a picture of the rubber door trim installed. You can see it goes all the way around the edge there and keeps the metal from banging on that plastic and making a lot of noise going down the trails. It was a little difficult to get on. It was pretty cold, so we're going to have to wait till it warms up so it kind of goes with all the curves and contours of this sheet of metal. So
that's pretty much the end of the video. If you guys like this video, maybe hit that like button or consider subscribing to the channel. We have a lot more products like this on our channel. We have riding videos, we have all kinds of different ones. You know, we got group rides. We're gonna be doing a lot of riding this summer, so definitely stay tuned for that, and we'll see you on the next video. One quick thing that I want to show you guys real quick is if you have factory Polaris speakers in your doors, these doors might not work for you. we might have to we have factory doors or whatever, and the bolt holes, like, they get covered up, so we're actually just gonna have to like notch out and modify this panel, maybe notch out here to get that down. We have it bolted here, and we're trying to like use these cuts that they used to like bend it and like get it down in there. That way it'll fit right. But I know like a lot of machines don't have this big speaker in the doors. So I'm thinking that's maybe what these doors are actually made for. These lower panels, I mean. So I don't know. We're going to make it work. I mean, this is the only part that it's going to need modification, is if you have these speakers or any kind of speakers. It's just not going to work with this panel. So we'll make it work. We're just going to have to do some modifications. Obviously, they tell you that these lower doors are no drilling required and easy installs, which it is if you don't have speakers in your doors. So if you have speakers, you're gonna need to make some modifications. That bolt hole right there is just completely covered. We're probably gonna take it back off and just drill a hole and then run a longer bolt through there. Probably the same with maybe this one or that one there. But if we figure it out before I post this video, I will put it at the end of this video and show you guys what we did to make them fit. So